Perfect. Perfect.
The Sorento's interior is a big departure from the current version's rather staid aesthetic. The dashboard can be outfitted with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The rest of the design blends rhombus-shaped air vents, integrated ambient lighting, and intricately stitched surfaces on the door panels and seat inserts. The center console hosts a rotary shift knob as well as a drive mode selector and other vehicle functions. A variety of cubby storage spots and cup holders also fill out the console. While we can't comment on how comfortable the cabin is until we ride in one, the Sorento's wheelbase has been stretched by 1.4 inches compared with its predecessor, and Kia said the extra length and new platform increase interior space. Along with a standard third row, its second row bench can be swapped for a pair of captain's chairs. With infotainment and connectivity features at the forefront of new car technology, the Sorento supports all of the most desirable content. It comes standard with an 8.0-inch touchscreen or an optional 10.3-inch touchscreen. Along with a wireless charging pad, there's also an optional 12-speaker Bose sound system for those who prefer an upscale audio experience. The Sorento lineup will have a selection of engine options and be available with front or all-wheel drive. A 191 horsepower 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine is standard, and a 281 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder is available too. Both pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and the hybrid model uses a 6-speed automatic. The eco-friendly Sorento hybrid features the combination of a turbo 1.6-liter four-cylinder gas engine and a 44-kilowatt electric motor. However, it will only be offered with front-wheel drive. Kia will eventually offer a plug-in hybrid version as well. As with the regular hybrid, it'll have a turbocharged 1.6-liter, but it'll feature a 66.9-kilowatt electric motor and be all-wheel drive only. Kia also said the Sorento will be able to tow up to 3,500 pounds. Check out the video until the end to see all the exterior shots.
Subscribe to Auto TV.